it's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and it is day 4/5 in Santee at the Giant Slope. Massive amounts of progress have been made, and right now we are wrapping up the slope planting. We are going to have another crew come in on Saturday and dig in footholds up this slope and stuff them with rock rubble. And this waterfall, we're almost getting to the point now where we can kind of focus on it. I'm going to have one of my designers do some housekeeping in there and clean it up. There's leaves and detritus and sawdust and stuff. You see that waterfall plastic and liner. I'm just going to throw dirt over that. And this basin will be planted with barrel cactus. We just need to take something like a stake, a metal stake, and drive it through to poke holes in the liner at the bottom so it can drain out. So this will also be fluffed up with bigger pieces of rubble. And then you can see the orange flags are going to be trios of Calandrinia spectabalis. Then I'm moving in aeonium and some other plants. And the outline of this dry stream or waterfall will be more densely planted than the slope proper. So you can see the elephant in the room today is our beautiful Aloe trees that came from from Josh in Carlsbad. His story is he and his wife have a toddler, and he had this beautiful little cactus succulent garden in his tiny backyard that he had to let go. They're going to do a little play structure, and the man was literally mourning. Felt so bad. So Josh, shout out to you. Thank you. And you can see that your trees are absolutely stunning in this landscape and will be treasured. So I also have another order of plants coming tomorrow from Waterwise Botanicals to include more barrel cactus and a variety of other plant material, which I'll get to in a minute. Stephanie, this is Stephanie. Welcome, Stephanie.
Thank you.
She is actually from Los Angeles, a follower turned staffer. And when we have projects down here in San Diego County, she's got friends she can stay with in the area. So that's working out super swell, kind of like Ralph, same thing. We also have Julian up there. Many of you will recognize Julian. He helps us out when he can. He's perfect on these big, tough jobs like this. But anyway, I digress because I'm just so flabbergasted at how beautiful this is turning out.
Point out the flowers on the calendar.
Oh, yeah, Hannah wants me to point out the flowers up there. Those pink, hot pink flowers. See those? Those are so stunning. The plant itself is meh, but when it blooms, it is gorgeous. You will also notice that our Dagouti eyes are turning brown and the leaves are falling off. Not to worry. That's not atypical for this plant. It will come back. It's very precious and tends to shock. So I'm not worried about it. The last thing you want to do, little pro tip, when you see a plant doing that, is to water it because it's shocky. And when it goes, another name for shock is dormancy. So right now the plant is just going into survival resting mode, kind of like an induced coma, if you will. So these brown leaves, they will fall off, and then it's still early enough in the season here that I think we can get another flush of green before summer. Oh, gosh, yes, do look here. I said day 4 and 5, so we've been busy. This is also part of our purview on this job is this slope down here. So we've gotten started. We have these beautiful gigantic blue flames, which are also courtesy of Josh and Carlsbad. We have 2 more big ones that we can pop in down here. I did this with Portulacaria Afra variegata. Isn't this a beautiful ground cover on this slope? So we are going to continue going down here. That's part of my shipment tomorrow from Waterwise is more Portulacaria. Our client is going to be working out some retention with his demoed concrete. So disregard that. But we'll be taking this install on this downslope as far as we can. Okay. I had planned on doing a really cool tapestry over here. Oh my gosh, here's a couple more calendrinia.
Sorry, I almost dropped the phone.
Um,
Want to say something?
oh,
Almost dropped the phone.
Hannah almost dropped the phone. Sorry about that, guys. This was going to be a tapestry, but the irrigation in here is dead. Dead meaning dead. We can't fix it without
Is that what you're gonna take out for?
like drilling or digging underneath concrete. It's not going to happen. So Greg will be cutting and capping what is exposed in irrigation in here, and I'm going to do a xeriscape instead, which will be really beautiful too. I'm very excited.
So you were gonna take that out last time. You were telling people you wanted to.
Yeah, this I don't know, I was kind of on the fence about it. It has survived without any water for a really long time. It's kind of interesting, but in a xeriscape probably doesn't make much sense. So that'll likely come out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did they get all that soil moved? Did you guys get all that done already? Unbelievable. Okay.
Tell us how the boobies look. I mean, we can still just shift.
You know I'm doing a video, right?
Oh, sorry.
No, I love it. I love it. Haley and Omar moved 3 yards of soil, and Miguel in about 5 minutes. So just wow on that.
So we'll get going on those boulders. But what are we doing in here?
Yes, my client came out on Saturday afternoon and was so inspired by what was happening that she said, you know what, I'm going to stage patio furniture over here. This is kind of the front of her house. This is sort of an area that she never really had any use for. They don't have a big rig or an RV or a boat or anything, so this has just sort of been a nothing burger over here. So she's going to stage furniture so that she can see. And when she said that, that really helped me solidify what I'm going to do in here. This is going to be planted in our signature DFS style. I went to Waterwise on Saturday afternoon and I bought, as I said, a bunch more plants. We have a whole mess of boulders, about probably 4 ton out there on the curb. And now that the soil's been moved in here, I'm going to have the guys start bringing in boulders. You can see that we have taken and created a rubble border in here. So everything south of the rubble will be rocked, and everything north of the rubble will be in mulch. So this slope is pretty much done. There's really not much more to do up here. One challenge that we have is this area here. We need access because we are going to be running monkey hair up here, and yet this is a lot of real estate, and it has me a little nervous because the monkey hair will come in very much toward the end. And I have to plant this all out, but you can see our soil ended here. We have to replace the fence. You can see on the other side of this fence right here, I haven't planted anything. So yeah, there's, I don't quite know how that's going to work, but you know what? As always, we will figure it out. So now we are going to start moving in boulders. I'm going to put the finishing touches on slope planting. I think I can go ahead and get some things planted over here on the other side of this fence now, and get working on the waterfall Hannah's going to run get some tapestry plants for our area in here. Greg is getting started running lines, so I better get my act together and make sure that I've got all the plants done. So, woo-wee, this is really, really coming along, isn't it, guys? So, I guess until tomorrow, this has been Laura Eubanks with Team DFS and day 4 and 5 in Santee. Bye, guys.